Combination of lenses. Let us learn the relationship between focal lengths of the lenses which are combined to form a single convex lens. Let us consider two thin convex lenses of focal lengths f1 and f2 which are combined together to form a single lens of focal length capital F. For the lens of focal length f1, O is the object, I dash is the real image. Thus I dash is the virtual object for the second lens of focal length f2 and I is the final image for the second lens. For the first lens, let us write the equation as 1 by v dashed minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f1, where v dashed is the distance of the image and u is the distance of the object from the lens. For the second lens of focal length f2, the equation is 1 by v minus 1 by v dashed equal to 1 by f2, where v is the image distance and v dashed is the object distance for the second lens. So let us call these equations as equation number 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2, we get 1 by v dashed and 1 by v dash get cancelled out. Thus 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Let this be equation number 3. Now when two lenses are combined to form a single convex lens, for that O is the object and I is the image. So 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by capital F, where capital F is the focal length of the combination. We call this as equation number 4. Now look at equation 3 and 4. LHS are same. So equating RHS, 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 equal to 1 by capital F, where capital F is the focal length of the combination. Already we know the reciprocal of focal length is the power of the lens. So P1 plus P2 equal to P. Similarly, if M1 and M2 are the magnification of the lenses and M is the magnification of the combination, M equal to M1 dot M2, M1 into M2. Or if n lenses are combined, effective magnification M equal to M1 into M2 into M3 into M4 into etc., where M1, M2, M3 etc. are the magnification of each lens in contact.